So in this video, we're going to talk about decimal subtraction. And just like some of the other basic operation videos, I again want to stress that you can do this decimal subtraction on your calculator. You do not have to do it by hand. But if you're going to do it by hand, let's look at an example. So if I had 28.13 minus 3.2, so again, our problem here, it's written horizontally, and I think it's easier if you write the problem vertically. So the first thing I'm going to do is rewrite it. So it's going to be 28.13 minus, and now when I write that second number here, the 3.2, I'm going to write it so the decimal points line up. So to get the decimal points to line up underneath each other, I would have the 3 under the 8 and the 2 under the 1. And so just like I've done in some of the other decimal videos, you can add a 0 to make the decimals the same length. So 3.2 is the same as 3.20. And now I'm going to subtract each column starting on the right-hand side. So 3 minus 0, that's going to give us 3. If I look here at this next column, the 1 and the 2, I can't take 2 away from 1. So just like if you're in regular subtraction, you have to borrow, the same thing has to happen here. So I'm going to borrow from the 8, it's going to become a 7, and I'm carrying over 10. So now I have the number here is 11. So I have 11 minus 2. And if you look at 11 minus 2, that's 9. The decimal point comes down. 7 minus 3 is 4. And then here I have the 2, underneath it is nothing, so I have 2 minus 0, so it's just going to be 2. So our answer here is going to be 24.93.